Alright, and we're recording. Hey gang, Andy here, coming at you, Pook, with another tutorial video. And today I'm going to show you how to do picture-in-picture in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now for those of you just tuning in, the particular version of Adobe Premiere that I'm using is Premiere Pro CC 2015. So if you guys are using an older version like CS6, CS4, whatever the case may be, just know that my particular layout is going to be a little bit different than yours, but the general concepts are going to be the same. So, with that said, let's begin. And like I said, we're going to be showing you guys how to do picture-in-picture. So first up, we're going to import some media to start off with. We're going to import this Tokyo Swan episode that I downloaded from the internet. So we're just going to bring that onto the timeline here. And then basically we're just going to be showing the same episode, but within itself. So we're going to import it again onto the timeline, and then we're going to right click, we're going to hit unlink, and that's going to unlink both the audio and the video track. So that way we can delete the audio track down here because we only really need one audio track. So now that we have two videos and one audio track, we're going to go down to this top one up here, and we're going to go to effects, and then it says here motion. So just pop that open here, and then we're going to go to scale. Now there are several ways to do this. You can have a uniform scale, which keeps it at the same aspect ratio. I prefer this, but there are certain instances where you need to turn this off, but for simplicity's sake, we'll just keep it on. So we'll just scale this back here. And as you can see, that picture is getting smaller, and then the bottom video is starting to creep into frame here. So we're just going to scale it back to about, 40.2 is fine. Click on motion, drag it to either side of the screen. You can have it up here, you can have it down here, you can have it in the middle, wherever the case may be. And then I prefer to use the little arrows on my keyboard just to get it lined up just right. And then you see picture-in-picture. And you can do this with different videos, but just for simplicity's sake, I decided to use the same one. So there you go. And then we'll go back to editing. And as you can see here, we got picture-in-picture.
Mr. Tokyo Swan!
Pretty crazy, huh? So there you go. That's how you do picture-in-picture within Adobe Premiere Pro. And with that said, this is the Andy-san. Signing for now. Thanking you guys, Pook, for tuning into this tutorial and for watching my other stuff. Also want to thank you guys for liking with the thumbs, commenting, subscribing, send a few friends to the party. And hey, as always, we'll see you next time. Catch you later, guys. Bye.